Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP MV6520E. What I want to do is to show you ways to print document and photo with this printer from your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via Wi-Fi network. Then you go to My Files, select My Files, then select document. If you want to print photo, then you select image. We want to print documents, select documents. Then scroll down to select the document you want to print out. So select on the document. Then you select just once so that the file will open. So the file is opening up. This is 2-page document. To print it out, gently tap on the screen. Then go on top and select 3 dots. Then select print. Then it will show you this app. Scroll down and look for HP MV6500E series. Select on it. Then it will show you a yellow printer icon. Then scroll down, select orientation as portrait, the paper size A4 paper, double-sided printing. We want to print 2-sided printing, long edge, and we want to print it in color. Then you select print. So the document is printing. If you change your mind, you select cancel. This is the document we printed out, 2-sided, successfully printed. Then you select OK. Another method to print document from mobile phone with this printer is for us to use HP app, HP MV6500E series. To print document, you scroll down, select print documents, then you select PDF, then scroll down and select the file you want to print out. Select on the file. Once you select on the file, the document will be attached. 2-page document. Then you select print preview. It's 2-page document. To print it out, you scroll down, select number of copies. You want to print all. 2-sided print long edge. Then select color. We want to print it in color. Or you can select black and white. Orientation, automatic. Select more option. Then you select document. Quality. Scroll down, you can select normal, best, or draft. So it's currently in automatic. Scaling, view page. Then you go back, then select print. This is the document we printed out, black and white, two-sided. Now the next thing I want to do is to show you how to print photo. So we're going to load 4x6 photo paper. So open the casket, remove the A4 paper, then load 4x6 photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the printable area need to face down. So if you see the paper, the printable area or the smooth part or glossy part need to face down. So load the paper, adjust the paper. So this is 4x6, 4x6 inch or 10x15 centimeter. So the printable area is facing down. Then close the casket. Then it will show you change paper. Then select modify. The type, then select on the plane, scroll down to select other glossy inkjet paper or HP photo papers. Then select the size. Then scroll down to select 4x6 inch. Then select done. So the paper is now changed to 4x6 inch. Now if you want to print out the photo, scroll down, select photo print, print photos. Then select the photo you want to print out. Select on the photo, then select add. So it's retrieving the size. This is the photo you want to print out. We show you HP photo paper and 4x6 inch. And also it's in portrait. If you want it to be in landscape, then you select landscape. The size will change to landscape. We want it in portrait, then you select next. Then scroll down to select number and also the quality. You select automatic, draft, normal, or best. It's currently in automatic. And also the color. We want it in color. Then select print. This is the photo we printed out. So these are ways to print documents and photo with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.